down to 3, and we've been officially told that the airport is 12 o'clock, and that's his way of saying, start to look for the airport, because when you see it, you should tell me, and then I'll assign the visual approach. He can't assign a visual approach, of course, until we have the airport in sight, which we believe we do. So your choice. So too that if we couldn't get it in sight because the visibility was minimum, we'd either fly the approach as published, or we could ask for a contact approach if that were a good thing to do based on everything else that's happening. More about that later. So it is that brown spot there. Here, 12 o'clock. Yep. Beyond the first ridge on the right.
I actually don't think I have it, because I was looking at that over there.
All right, well, be patient then.
Yeah.
It's getting bigger. And again, if you're in an unfamiliar area, he can't see the airport for you. So if you don't see the airport...
Oh, it's right after the river. It's right here. Yep.
And it's okay if you don't see it. Then you can the approach or ask for the visual, or correction, ask for the contact approach, or the RNAV, whichever. Today we don't need an RNAV, so if you don't see it, ask for the contact approach.
Approach 597 Kilo Charlie, airport site.
Airport now 12 o'clock, 10 miles.
Say it again.
Approach 597 Kilo Charlie, airport site.
November 597 Kilo Charlie, roger, cleared visual approach, runway 25, contact tower 118.3, have a great day.
Visual for 25, over to tower, 7 Kilo Charlie, thank you.
November 22 Hotel, extend upwind.
Extend upwind, 22 Hotel.
Was that 5 Delta Bravo calling ready?
Yep, we're ready.
November 5 Delta Bravo, roger, turn left heading 240, runway 25, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
240 on the heading, 257 takeoff, 5 Delta Bravo.
Now you're on the visual, 25.
November 597 Kilo Charlie Tower, you up?
Yeah, just checking in on the visual 25, 7 Kilo Charlie.
November 597 Kilo Charlie, Fort Smith Tower, runway 25, cleared land, wind calm.
Clear land 25, 7 Kilo Charlie.
November 63 Yankee, extend downwind, you're following a PA 46.
We're going to do a flow.
Okay, 60 Yankee, extending downwind, looking for the traffic.
November 22 Hotel.
I feel like your nose is down.
Right, close traffic, 22 Hotel.
Is your nose down for the runway?
Yes, so gear down, come down.
So never bring the power back until you're configured. Now you do need to bring the power back. You're configured. That's a slam dunk for a gear up. We're going to be very careful with that. All right, so now I recommend you do not descend so steeply. And the is if you want to get to the runway, since you put the nose down, you got to glide for the runway. You got to go to the runway. If you planned on flying a nice wide long base, why we should have waited on gear and descent. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes, I do.
The judgment has to be bring you to the runway.
November 5 Delta Bravo, contact departure.
Departure, good day, 5 Delta Bravo.
Are you purposely trying to turn left, or are you driving?
No, I'm purposely trying to line up, do a base to line up.
Okay, so we're gonna line up, but
okay,
not out there. We're gonna line up over here.
Okay.
Okay. And the reason is if we line up over there, we won't have the energy at this power setting to make it to the runway. So the decision to descend is what helps you.
Yankee traffic to follow 10 o'clock, 3 miles southwest bound, PA 46, 2000.
We want to maintain 100 knots till all turns are completed. We've been cleared to land.
November 22 Hotel, make left 360
we don't want to configure beyond
left 360 for sequence, 22 Hotel.
One notch of flaps. Go ahead, ease it down a bit, and hold your heading. Yep. So now you have a better glide. Speed looks good. Like we're turning left. If you just hold your heading, and then when you get to the center line,
Yankee traffic,
turn onto it.
Space your discretion, runway 25, clear for the option.
then pitch for it.
60 Yankee, traffic.
When it's necessary, slow for it. So here's what it looks like inside. This is working out just fine. Stay pitched for it. Don't turn left or right until you get to the center line. So I'm pushing you down a little bit to keep us pitched for the runway. There, nice. Here you come. You're going to have
60 Yankee, we have the traffic.
plenty of energy to make it to the runway.
7 Kilo Charlie with traffic sight.
63 Yankee with traffic inside.
Perfect, thank you.
You need to keep coming back or you're going to go through the center line. That's it. Nice. Just like that.
500.
Pitch for the runway. Alright. Hold the crap till you get there. Keep the wings level. Right. That's it. Pitch for the runway. I'm pushing hard. You're trimming. I'm pushing. Okay. Drifting to the right. Or correction, to the left. That's it. Wings level. Left thumb on the trim. Gonna get rid of all that because we're already 20 knots fast. Just slow your rate of descent now with trim. Just slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah. Back to the center line. Before you start braking.
Follow Skyhawk, 1 mile final, 1,200.
But more brakes and less pullback.
Searching for the traffic to the hotel.
So you don't want those to rise, but you don't want it to compress either. You want
7 Kilo Charlie, right turn your discretion, Texas Park via Alpha with me.
Right turn via Alpha, stand with you, 7 Kilo Charlie.
maxi speed, turn speed, and away you go. Good job.